You're probably asking, what is a free tour? A free tour is characterized by the fact that it's free to book, and it's free to reserve, and free to cancel. A free tour is generally characterized by the fact that you pay a tip at the end, which averages between about 8 and 15 euros. Remember, some tourists will pay more if they're really satisfied with the tour. Our tour guides also are going to work very hard so that you have a great trip, you enjoy yourself, and that you're happy at the end. It's a win-win situation.
How to book your free tour? Booking a free tour on GuruWalk is super easy. You'll just have to put the name of your city on the search and then pick the one that you like the most. In just one click and completely for free, you'll be able to have your booking ready.
Are you planning a trip? Do you want to have a great time?
Book with GuruWalk. GuruWalk.
Open your mind, learn, have fun.